Billions of years ago, long before humanity gazed upon the night sky, our very home, the Milky Way galaxy, was forged in fire and cataclysm. It was a chaotic dance of cosmic giants, a primordial ballet of destruction and creation. Now, faint echoes from that distant past reveal a forgotten chapter in our galaxy's violent birth. Through the discerning eye of the Hubble Space Telescope, scientists have uncovered evidence of an ancient merger nearly 11.8 billion years ago with a dwarf galaxy dubbed LKH. This wasn't merely a close encounter. It was a foundational event, a cosmic assimilation that added crucial bricks to our galaxy's nascent structure. Our home was built, in part, from the remnants of another world. But while we peer into the deep past, the present holds its own silent struggles, invisible threats lurking in the very air we breathe. On Earth, scientists are deploying advanced technology to confront a pervasive danger that affects millions, the insidious grip of air pollution. It's a critical mission to safeguard our planet's future, mirroring our quest to understand its past. In the bustling heart of Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, a NASA-funded network of sensors is meticulously charting the unseen enemy, black carbon. These microscopic particles, born from fires and vehicle exhausts, are a silent killer, contributing to millions of deaths globally each year. The data reveals a stark reality, with pollution levels far exceeding safety standards, exacerbated by daily life and even holiday celebrations. This groundbreaking multi-angle imager for aerosols, or MAI project, combines ground-based measurements with an upcoming space observatory. Its advanced camera, designed to identify different pollution types from orbit, promises to revolutionize our understanding of how particulate matter impacts human health. For the first time, public health researchers are integral to a NASA space mission, bridging the cosmos and our communities. As we push the boundaries of knowledge, humanity's reach extends further into the void. NASA, in a strategic move to accelerate its ambitious missions, has selected new commercial partners for payload processing. This collaboration empowers diverse payloads, from university-built satellites to high-priority agency missions, to prepare for their journey to the stars, streamlining our path to discovery. The path to orbit, however, is fraught with challenges. Just days after a dramatic mid-flight explosion grounded its fleet, China showcased remarkable resilience, returning to space with not one, but two successful rocket launches. It's a testament to the unyielding spirit of spacefaring nations, proving that setbacks are merely detours on the journey to the cosmos. From delivering internet-beaming satellites to deploying vital scientific instruments for international partners, these back-to-back missions underscored China's rapid ascent in space exploration. With more ambitious launches on the horizon, including reusable rockets and lunar missions, the race to unlock the universe's secrets continues at an unprecedented pace. From the ancient collisions that shaped our galaxy to the invisible threats in our air, and the relentless march of rockets towards the heavens, humanity's story is one of ceaseless exploration and adaptation. We are both products of the cosmos and its eager students, striving to understand its vastness, while fiercely protecting the precious home we call Earth.